In today's metal markets, I want to focus on palladium today. Palladium has re-entered the news cycle. We saw palladium trade over 1,500 on the spot price of palladium, first time ever. Palladium up 22% for 2019 alone, so we continue to see a significant uptrend in palladium. I can tell you, look at the future trading 1461 right now. And again, when you look at the trends in place with palladium, you're seeing a nice uptrend. Basically coming off of the August lows, we've seen palladium in an uptrend for the better part of the last 8 months. And with that, we're seeing it go to levels that it has not attained in the history of the pricing of palladium. And some of the driving forces behind that, when you look at what's going on in the palladium markets, it's really the emission controls. As we continue to see newer, more strict emission controls being rolled out, not only here in the United States, but globally, the demand for palladium is picked up dramatically, and therefore it caught the automakers a little bit off guard, it appears, and you're seeing that demand now shifting towards the supply side, and the supply side not being able to make up that excess demand at this point, and that's why we're seeing this continued firmness in palladium prices. I can tell you, when you look at how palladium is sourced, 80% of it comes from either Russia or South Africa. And again, there's expectations that ultimately that demand will be met, but it's going to take a few years for that demand and supply issue to resolve itself. Now, some of the other things that could play into the pricing of palladium and some of the things that are being cited right now is the factor that the global slowdown could actually put a little bit of a break on this current run-up, and we can see some dynamics that, particularly as we see China slowing down, the demand for cars over there, particularly fuel-based fuel cell cars, could be slowed. And we also have the trend in place of electric cars coming online, and that could also slow the current price appreciation that we're seeing in palladium. But given the current dynamics and the fact that automakers are caught off guard with the emission control situation, you're seeing a constant demand now for palladium going to record highs.